Hi guys, so how you guys are doing at this moment after some bit of tests, bad marks and all those things that have come up along with it, and definitely we have finished up the atomic structure chapter, and I understand that many of you are still doing the exercise of atomic structure. I understand there has been a paradigm shift between class 10th exercise and class 11th exercise. When it is coming to class 11th, you need to do around 102 problems or 105 problems, I guess, in chemistry in only one chapter, that is atomic structure. Okay, that too only follow up problems. Now after that there is in text questions are there, concept based questions are there. So all those things you need to also do all these things. Okay, so because those are also important. For in some cases you guys are facing difficulties to finish up. See, previously while we studied in class 10th, we used to have our chapters finished by 2 weeks, more or less we could finish one chapter, not a big deal, except the case of say mole concept or organic chemistry. Otherwise if you see periodic table can be finished in 2 weeks, or you can take ammonia, एक दिन में ख़त्म हो सकता है यार, तो HCl, H2SO4, HNO3, all those chapters can be finished up very quickly, which is not the case in case of class 11. That is true, okay, but remember how much time we have given to atomic structure. We have started in 26th of March, so today it is around 6th or 7th of May. So definitely we have given ample lot of time, 1.5 months for atomic structure. First of all, it is from class 10th to 11th, you need to give up this effort. Okay, you need to give this effort, there is no other way. And second thing is, the time period for chemistry was lot. It was not that it's not lot. At least for boards, you should have finished it. Okay, now if you keep things pending, you will be in trouble. It is not like class 10 ke last 2 or 3 months you can do everything. No, it is not possible. In class 10, well, sometimes I also had helped many people like that. In last 1 month also, we did some miracles, but it is not going to happen in class 11th. Okay, miracles doesn't happen after class 10th. Okay, after class 10th, hard work matters. Okay, and definitely your IQ will also matter. Hard work is always, it will matter. Okay guys, so this is nothing to discourage you, this is to basically let you know that it is a different ball game and you have to play it differently. It is definitely not a T20 match, not even a one-day match. It is a test match, guys, and you got to play it that way. Okay, we don't need much of Dhoni sixers and all. We need Rahul Dravid's maybe at this moment. Every day methodically he used to practice. You read the autobiography, or he has some biography or autobiography on Rahul Dravid, you will understand how he used to prepare for his game. That will help you in your preparation in your class 11, 12 and also for IIT JEE and NEET. Anyhow, we will not waste any time further. This was just to wake you up, nothing else. Okay guys, so we will start a completely new topic, and the good thing about this topic is you will not have any homework. ठीक है, जो करेंगे ही करेंगे, ख़त्म. ठीक है, होमवर्क बाद में करेंगे. अभी आज का जो टॉपिक है उसमें हम लोग कोई होमवर्क नहीं रहेगा. But first of all, we are going to start a new part of chemistry, that is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Okay. After atomic structure, I am going to organic chemistry because this will be forming a huge chunk of your syllabus. Because if you see in ICSE and CBSE up to class 10, organic chemistry was 10% maybe of your syllabus, correct? But while you come to class 11th and 12th, my dear friends, it composes of 36% of your syllabus. Okay, 36% of your syllabus. It will take 50% of your time. So you can understand what it is. But I would suggest you, those who are preparing only for boards or NEET, okay, in both the cases, don't spend this much amount of time in organic chemistry. Even mains also, because definitely organic is very enticing when you understand it, but remember the amount of marks will be 36% only, not more than that. Okay, so you can expect around 36% marks, plus minus 2 तो हो सकता है. ठीक है, that is in JEE main. I am talking about in case of boards also, this kind of marks will be constituting the organic chemistry part. So accordingly you have to put in your time. So here some smartness is required. If you are very good in physical and inorganic, then what you should do with organic, that you need to remember. But this is, I am speaking in case of NEET basically and board students. Okay. But in case of JEE and JEE Advanced, organic chemistry you have to do. There is no other option actually. That is what my experience is. ठीक है, क्योंकि फिजिकल में ज़्यादा टफ प्रॉब्लम दे दिया तो तुम हड़क सकते हो, टाइम भी ज़्यादा लगता है फिजिकल में पूरा प्रॉब्लम उतारने के लिए, ठीक है ना, लगाने के लिए टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा प्रॉब्लम लगाने के लिए फिजिकल में। तो इनऑर्गेनिक जल्दी हो जाता है, अगर याद रहेगा तो हो जाएगा, नहीं आएगा तो नहीं होगा, ठीक है, पढ़े नहीं हो तो नहीं होगा, दिमाग लगा कि इनऑर्गेनिक नहीं कर पाओगे MCQ बेस्ड एग्जामिनेशन में। ऑर्गेनिक उसमें भी जल्दी हो सकता है अगर कॉन्सेप्ट बेस तुम्हारा सही रहे, ठीक है। And the only part of chemistry in class 11th and 12th which has a marked difference in study while you talk about boards and NEET and JEE Advanced. It's a marked difference. If you ask me what is the difference, there is a huge lot of difference in this part only. Yes, there is a difference. So you need to set your priorities accordingly and need to prepare कि हाँ हमको यही तक करना है, उससे जाके हमको नहीं चाहिए। So suppose you know that you are preparing for JEE Main, then what should you do? Even if you know that you are preparing up to JEE Main, then first of all you should do one thing, go to the chapter exercise, that is where the IIT JEE Main questions are there, JEE Main. Go for last 2-3 years, you will understand the pattern of questions. So there you will get an idea. So while studying the chapter after that, ठीक है, you will know what to do, how to do, ठीक है। So you are completely sure JEE Advanced मेरे को नहीं देने का है, तो in that case you will take this kind of decision. JEE Advanced देना है तो सब पढ़ना है, सब पढ़ना है, ठीक है। तो मटेरियल में आपको मिल जाएगा सब, किस लेवल का एग्जामिनेशन है, किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन। कमिंग टू योर NEET part. NEET also it is very important, first you go through the question papers that has come in NEET examination, accordingly you prepare. And for boards, for ICSE students, that is ISC students, please go through KL Chugh very well, ठीक है, वो आपका टेक्स्ट बुक है, मदर है, बाइबल है, गीता है, कुरान है, सब कुछ है KL Chugh, ठीक है, उसको अच्छी तरीके से करो, एक बुक अच्छी तरीके से करो। और CBSE के लिए देयर इज़ नो डाउट NCERT, NEET के लिए भी NCERT you need to do, ठीक है। एंड डेफिनेटली you need to practice lot of questions, that is very important, that you, but I am happy that many of you have practiced lot of questions in atomic structure, whether it is Chugh, whether it is NCERT, whether it is materials, everywhere, from everywhere you have done a lot. And you also, some people, at least I think the 50 to 60% of the people have already completed, and some people are lagging, but even some people have gone up to say concept application exercise 7, 8, that is also good. Maybe you are not being able to do 9, 10, okay, ठीक है, बाद में करो, एडवांस में आता है ना, छोड़ो, लेकिन किया है। So you should gain in confidence यार, that हमने किया है। IIT JEE का 2 प्रॉब्लम मैंने किया है, 10 था, 2 प्रॉब्लम किया है, 20% मिल गया मुझे, अभी तो पूरा 2 साल बाकी है। तो अभी क्या 10 का 10 प्रॉब्लम कर देंगे क्या? आइंस्टाइन है क्या? आइंस्टाइन नहीं है ना हम लोग तो 2 क्वेश्चन किया है अभी धीरे धीरे मेरा मैच्योरिटी बढ़ेगा, मैं और पढ़ूंगा और 4 क्वेश्चन करूंगा, 60% हो गया ना, 60% में आ जाएगा रैंक, आ जाएगा ना, 60% ओवरऑल मार्क्स आ जाएगा तो आ जाएगा रैंक, अच्छा रैंक आ जाएगा, उसमें सोचने का कुछ नहीं है। सो दिस इज अ न्यू शिफ्ट। सो फॉर बोर्ड्स we will be starting today, and for JEE also we will be starting today. This was the introductory lecture of organic chemistry that I wanted to give you the importance of organic chemistry in various examinations, so you get a feel about it. Next thing that I want to say you is, while studying organic chemistry, please write. You cannot study organic chemistry, you need to do organic chemistry, that is very important, and you cannot lag behind. Study a concept, solve the exercise, study a concept, solve the exercise. So this way if you go on doing, organic chemistry will be peanuts for you after some days, okay? You need to be patient with it. It is going to push you from lot of ends, but you need to be patient with it. and definitely you are going to get ahead. ठीक है guys, so today we will be starting organic chemistry in our upcoming lecture. Thank you.